जय हिंद दोस्तों, इस वक्त मैं हूँ रॉयल कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट साइंस एंड कॉमर्स में। यहाँ पर आज यानी 8 फरवरी 2025 को नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन द रोल ऑफ लाइब्रेरी इन क्वालिटी एनहांसमेंट एंड नेक एक्रीडिटेशन के संबंध में एक कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया गया है। हमारे साथ है डॉक्टर नंद किशोर मोतीवार सर। सर, आप यहाँ आए, आपने एक स्पीच भी दी। क्या मैसेज देंगे सर आज के दिन?
कॉलेज का इनिशिएटिव बहुत अच्छा रहा। ये एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर उन्होंने आज का ये सेमिनार रखा है। एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन की क्वालिटी में किस तरह से इम्प्रूवमेंट हो और नैक एक्रेडिटेशन के लिए लाइब्रेरी का रोल क्या है, लाइब्रेरियन का क्या रोल है, इसके बारे में यहाँ चर्चा होगी। और डेफिनेटली ये जो पार्टिसिपेंट है, यहाँ में टीचर्स है, स्टूडेंट्स है, लाइब्रेरियंस है, सभी के लिए आज यहाँ पर गाइडेंस हो रहा है। वो कुछ ना कुछ लेके अपने अपने कॉलेज में जाकर वो कॉलेज के लाइब्रेरी के डेवलपमेंट के बारे में सोचेंगे और एक अच्छा पॉजिटिव इनपुट यहाँ से लेके जाएंगे। मुझे लगता है ये कॉलेज ने एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लिया है। यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ मुंबई के साथ उन्होंने कोलैबोरेट करके आज का ये सेमिनार उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है। तो मैं एक कॉलेज को भी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूँ कि एक अच्छे विषय पर उन्होंने यहाँ पर आज सेमिनार का आयोजन किया है।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे साथ कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर कल्पना मैडम भी है। मैम, आज के दिन आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा?
We have organized this conference with a special intention that library is the heart of every institute. In upbringing of students, role of library as well as librarian is integral. And NAC accreditation is regarding the quality of education. Royal College is always there, famous for maintaining the quality of education. And therefore, we have organized this conference. I'm very happy to have Dr. Motevar sir. He is the director of University Knowledge Resource Center, which is there at Kalina, Mumbai. He is a key person in this collaboration. With the collaboration of university, jointly we have organized the event and we have received 50 plus participation for oral presentation, poster presentation, online as well as offline. And this conference will be very useful for the participants as well as the students of the library science. Thank you.
हमारे साथ ऑनररी ट्रेजरर जैनब मैम भी है। मैम, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है लाइब्रेरी स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में?
In today's world, we feel that everything is available on Google, everything is available on internet, so you don't need library. But this session will definitely show the importance that how library is indispensable part of an institution. It is the heart of an institution. So without an heart, the body cannot work. So we are very thankful to Dr. Motevar that he has been here today, and we have the participants as told to you by him and by our principal. We hope that they take lot of advantage of this workshop and they carry all the good things which they learn from here. Thank you.
सर, आज आपका रॉयल कॉलेज आना हुआ नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन द रोल ऑफ लाइब्रेरी इन क्वालिटी एनहांसमेंट एंड नेक एक्रीडिटेशन, आपका एक प्लेनरी सेशन हुआ। सर, क्या मैसेज देंगे सर आज के इस महत्वपूर्ण कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में?
This college is the right place to speak of quality because everywhere I see the stamp of quality. And I was having interaction with the college leadership, the principal, the trustees, and the founder director. I see that they are so much concerned about upgrading the quality. They are so passionate about education delivery. And in this context, this seminar is really useful. I see a hall full of librarians who will definitely take back a message about what are the technological tools that they can go back, educate their teachers and students, and then improve the quality at their places. This college has successfully inspired so many librarians to enhance their quality, enhance their library services quality, so that it sends out a message that librarian is a biggest bridge between the education, teacher, students, teaching, learning process. I wish all the best for this college.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। दोस्तों हमारे साथ इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के कन्वेनर जमानत मैम भी मौजूद हैं। मैम, व्हाट वुड लाइक टू से ऑन टुडेज कॉन्फ्रेंस?
So the role of library has rapidly evolved in last few decades. From a storehouse of books where we would have access to limited reference books, now the library have become very vast. There is no limit. There is lot of digital content available. Along with digital content, we have many tools available. Library can now support students, staff, the entire educational system in multiple ways. There was a need to come up with more interaction with all stakeholders. No longer that librarian needs to sit in the library and be confined to their place. There is a need for interaction, there is a need for awareness among the students. So we thought of having this seminar, this conference, wherein all stakeholders, including students, librarians, IQAC coordinators, faculty members, they come forward, share their ideas, and in the way we are expecting to come up with some of the best practices which could be implemented in our colleges, in educational systems, and we just hope, we are looking forward to have such kind of interactions.
दोस्तों इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ रॉयल कॉलेज की स्पेशियस लाइब्रेरी में और हमारे साथ है आज की जो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है उस कॉन्फ्रेंस की को कन्वेनर लाइब्रेरियन अमृता मैडम। मैम, क्या कहेंगे आज के कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में?
Myself, Ms. Amruta Upreti. I'm the co-convener of this event. Today's conference, we had this great opportunity to host for librarians and library and information science students as well. The purpose of conducting the event was to convey the significant role librarians play in academics, research, and enhancement of quality in institution. The conference provided a platform to bring together experts in the field of library and information science to share their views and expertise. We are thankful to our founder, Sir, Professor A. Lakdawala, and Principal Ma'am and management to providing us with this wonderful platform to conduct this conference. Thank
so
you.
much.